Few minutes to let you know the Steiger Stgw machine. I'm going to explain each function and hardware of this machine from the ground up. First, this type of machine can be equipped with 24 young feeders. To knit more colorful intarsia and partial intarsia, this fabric, for instance, consists of 9 diamonds, and each line here is knitted by a different independent young feeder, plus 1 young feeder for the waste yarn. So in total, this piece of fabric is knitted by at least 18 young feeders. The regular machine is just equipped with 16 young feeders. You cannot knit this piece of fabric. The second is the long float knitting function. There are many technical routes to have a long float effect. The core of this technical route is that, from the first stitch to 50th stitch for instance, in the regular case, yarn cannot be catched by the needle and loop cannot be formed. So the yarn should be bent before needle catch the yarn to form the new loop. From seam to door, once you put hands inside, the machine stops. All gauges are equipped with bilateral racking for improving operational efficiency and transferability. Motorized carriage, all mechanical devices are controlled by the motors. The cam box size has been optimized as well. When the yarn has been broken, the yarn control unit soon detects that yarn has been broken and gives a warning. Needle plate gap adjustment. Except regular density adjustment, you can adjust the gap width, shorten the distance between 2 plates. The fabric can be more tighter, or increase the width of the gap. Distance between front loop and back loop will be longer. The waste yarn free function, the roller from the machine can flip the yarn, but don't put the waste yarn down. Intelligent comb. Waste yarn is free in the knitting action. The money people buying the yarn has been saved. Save the time, money, and energy. Bilateral density. If loops are saggier or tight on both edges, you can turn down the bilateral density to adjust it. Forced stripping. For instance, when machine is carrying out the 4-needle or shell-to-shell row, loops cannot be spitted out perfectly. All loops are just a little bit spitted out of the needle hook. When turned on this function, the density again will press the long needle and the needle a bit deeper, so such case can be avoided. It also depends what type of yarn material you use. The intelligent auto-oiling system will carry out the oiling maintenance automatically. It drops mechanical wear for long needle and cams. As for needle patterns, single jersey, rib, pointail, bump, cable, iron cable, intarsia, jacker, partial jacker, etc. All patterns the Stgw can do. The machine with the intelligent comb has 5 gauge, 5/7 gauge, 7 gauge, 9 gauge, 10 gauge, 12 gauge, 14 gauge, 12/14 gauge, 16 gauge, 14/16 gauge. The roll machine has 18 gauge. According to the pattern, you can choose 2 system or 3 system. If you cannot decide the gauge, you can send the samples and the yarns to our decision headquarters. We can help you to knit the fabric and choose the right gauge when you are satisfied with samples before you purchase the machine from us. The machine width is 52 inches. Machine speed reaches 2 meters per second. 5.2-inch cam box. Racking range of this machine reaches 4 inches. Below 16 inch, the actuator equipped with 8 needle selectors. The 18 gauge is equipped with 18 needle selectors. All gauges are equipped with cross sinkers. High-strength Steiger needle, the shape won't be deformed when our needle pulls against the needles of other brands. Integral machine frame. Machine above 12 gauge is equipped with yarn storage. Below 12 gauge, it is equipped with yarn delivery. The machine generally equipped with 16 yarn feeders, but 24 yarn feeders is optional. The machine is equipped with front safety door and back safety door. Infrared roller sensor. When the roller gets tangled, the infrared sensor can detect the object when something or yarn on the roller. The measurement of the machine is 2.60 meters times 0.89 meters times 1.9 meters. The weight is around 900 kilograms. 220 volts. Power is 1.2 kilowatt. And this is a brief explanation of 2026 Steiger Stgw machine.